Hi, I'm Brent Shimbako with University Place Patch, and I'm here at Chambers Creek Properties. Now, when you think of Chambers Creek Properties, you think of what? Great parks, great trails, and I guess there's a pretty cool golf course nearby. What you probably don't think about, and what most Pierce County residents don't think about, is the wastewater treatment plant that's here on the premise. It's actually one of the big reasons this property even exists. Pierce County is planning a $305 million expansion of the plant, and Patch thought we'd give you an inside look at some of the workings of what's going on, as well as some of the things they're planning. Let's go take a look. It's a sight few Pierce County residents ever get to see. The nearly billion-dollar facility in University Place that takes their wastewater. That's right, anything you flush down the toilet or pour down the drain, and turns it into something that can be pumped back into Puget Sound. Some of the waste is even converted into fertilizer. But Pierce County officials say the plant is aging and it's approaching its capacity. The expansion will help Pierce County accommodate for future growth, improve the treatment process, and help the county keep up with environmental regulations. Pat sat down with Superintendent Larry Ekstrom and Sewer Utility Project Manager Ryan Dooley to find out more.
2016 is when we have been predicting that we will completely run out of capacity as far as flow, pure flow of water goes.
We have a permit that the state, as I spoke to earlier, there's limits as far as capacity.
Yeah, we are a bit ahead of the game. A couple of years ago, I guess we came close to triggering that we have to be planning, but right now we're at a 30% design level. We've done all of our environmental and facility planning effort, turned that over to the state for review, and we're continuing to move forward with the design process to move toward construction. One of the other components is that as we continue to learn more and more of the effects of wastewater on the Puget Sound, different regulations and requirements come about that would tell us that we should increase our level of treatment, treat it to a higher standard than we currently are. We should go into construction about mid-2013. Construction will go on the site through various packages through 2016. Essentially, with this expansion, every piece is going to get touched in some way or another. It's important to note is how this project is actually being funded, and the ratepayers of Pierce County have actually seen a couple of rate increases over the past couple of years, and that will go to support some bonding efforts that we're going out for. The sewer utility's gone after one bond recently to help fund the design and some of the initial efforts of the project, and we'll be going after a couple more rate increases in the next few years, as well as more bonds as we continue through construction.
The county says it's also going to apply for state and federal grants to help cover the cost. Either way, it looks like it's going to be a busy 5 years on Chambers Bay. Reporting for Patch, I'm Brent Shimbako.